How many rock edicts are mentioned? A. 20. B. 3. C. 13. D. 7. The correct answer is C. 13. In what year was the cheaper method of making steel invented by Henry Bessemer? A. 1856. Born in 1846. Circa 1876. D. 1844. The correct answer is A. 1856. What did the military officers in Tamil Nadu receive from the emperor? A. Trade concessions. B. Gold coins. C. Titles of nobility. D. Land grants. The correct answer is D. Land grants. What was considered to be worth its weight in gold by the Roman Emperor Aurelian? A. Silk supplied by Indian merchants. B. Tin. C. Glass. D. Topaz. The correct answer is A. Silk supplied by Indian merchants. Which city is mentioned alongside Kajangla as being near the meeting point? A. Prayaga. B. Rajagrika. C. Kashi. D. Nalanda. The correct answer is D. Nalanda. Besides cooking, what other use of fire is mentioned? A. Protecting themselves. B. Pottery making. C. Heating water. D. Signaling others. The correct answer is A. Protecting themselves. What was Damala Venkatpati Nayak's position? A. Raja of Chandragiri. B. Deputy of the Raja of Chandragiri. C. Governor General. D. Justice of the Peace. The correct answer is B. Deputy of the Raja of Chandragiri. What world-famous structure rose beside the Jamna River at Agra? A. Taj Mahal. B. Bibi Ka Maqbara. C. Buland Darwaza. D. Red Fort. The correct answer is A. Taj Mahal. What does Kshetra represent in the classification of land during the Gupta trade and commerce period? A. Cultivable land. B. Habitable land. C. Wasteland. D. Pastoral land. The correct answer is A. Cultivable land. Which form of Vishnu is depicted as a dwarf? A. Varha. B. Vaman. C. Seshanag. D. Narsimha. The correct answer is B. Vaman. To what age are the earliest human tools dated? A. 3.3 million years. B. 1.5 million years. C. 500,000 years. D. 10,000 years. The correct answer is A. 3.3 million years. What was the name given to the gold coins of the Vijayanagar Empire? A. Rupees. B. Varhas. C. Dinars. D. Pagodas. The correct answer is B. Varhas. In what year did a split occur within the Brahmo Samaj movement involving Keshab Chandra Sen? A. 1838. Born in 1866. Circa 1857. D. 1828. The correct answer is born in 1866. What happened to Pungpuhar by sea? A. Its trade routes were expanded. B. It became a center for cultural blending. C. It grew into a major port. D. It was washed away and destroyed. The correct answer is D. It was washed away and destroyed. Which of the following was a part-time occupation for farmers? A. Blacksmithing. B. Jewelry making. C. Pottery. D. Weaving. The correct answer is D. Weaving. What is the meaning of the Sanskrit word guru in the context of Gurukula? A. Teacher or master. B. Student. C. Home. D. Family. The correct answer is A. Teacher or master. What affairs preoccupied Babur until 1524? A. Persian conflicts. B. Chinese trade. C. European politics. D. Central Asian affairs. The correct answer is D. Central Asian affairs. What outcome is asked about for both the first and second battles of Tarain? A. Who defeated whom? B. The number of casualties. C. The religious implications. D. The long-term economic effects. The correct answer is A. Who defeated whom? What was the local Tamil name for the famine of 1876? A. Madras Rajya Panjam. B. Tantai Periyar Panjam. C. Vagai Nadi Panjam. D. Thathu Varusha Panjam. The correct answer is D. Thathu Varusha Panjam. Who led the British troops for help when Lord Wellesley welcomed Hastings? A. Mudhoji II Bhonsle. B. General Thomas Heaslop. C. Peshwa Baji Rao II. D. Malhar Rao Holkar III. The correct answer is B. General Thomas Heaslop. What is the production of stone tools called? A. Petrology. B. Archaeology. C. Paleontology. D. Lithic technology. The correct answer is D. Lithic technology. Which famous traveler visited the port of Kayal? A. Xuanzang. B. Ibn Battuta. C. Fahim. D. Marco Polo. The correct answer is D. Marco Polo. Which institution was one of the four principal institutions responsible for civil services? A. Regulatory Authority. B. Judicial Review Board. C. Civil Service Commission. D. Military Commission. The correct answer is C. Civil Service Commission. What led to the Santhals' armed uprising in 1855? A. Lack of governmental support. B. Religious persecution. C. Land grabbing and dispossession. D. Famine and disease. The correct answer is C. Land grabbing and dispossession. What was an anti-imperial and anti-landlord movement that originated around 1827? A. Coal Revolt. B. Faraiji Movement. C. Santhal Rebellion. D. Munda Uprising. The correct answer is B. Faraiji Movement. In which step of the Cetra Map Quiz activity does the free map quiz page appear? A. Step 4. B. Step 3. C. Step 1. D. Step 2. The correct answer is D. Step 2. What is the northern boundary where the Harappan culture has been found? A. Alamgirpur, Uttar Pradesh in India. B. Daimabad, Maharashtra in India. C. Sutkage Dor, Pakistan. D. Shortugai, Afghanistan. The correct answer is D. Shortugai, Afghanistan. What was the primary purpose of goods produced by India's large manufacturing sector? A. Agricultural use. B. Self-consumption. C. Barter exchange. D. Export only. The correct answer is C. Barter exchange. What was the primary goal of the Kanpur conspiracy case of 1924? A. To eliminate the threat of communism. B. To negotiate a peace treaty. C. To establish a new political party. D. To promote communism. The correct answer is A. To eliminate the threat of communism. In which craft did China particularly excel, a technique unknown to Europe for 700 years? A. Textile weaving. B. Ceramics and porcelain making. C. Metal smithing. D. Glass blowing. The correct answer is B. Ceramics and porcelain making. How did you score?